Hi students, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed find the area of enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to a square, which is equal to pi a square. We have done by using with respect of x axis and with respect of y axis. Both ways we can do. It is 5 marks question, which is very important, and this is also 5 marks question. Find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the ellipse. You know the ellipse. What is the center of this ellipse? X O x dash y O y dash. Center of the ellipse. Center of the ellipse 0, 0. And axis here. What it says? Tell me the what it says. What it says? Plus or minus a comma 0 and 0 comma plus or minus b. This is a. This length is a comma 0 and this is minus a comma 0. 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b. This is length 2b. Length of minor axis. Length of major axis. Here we generally will take a is greater than b. If a is bigger, the transfer axis lies on x axis. The transfer axis lies on x axis. This is the ellipse. Right? To find this area, the whole area, first let us find this point. O, A, B. This area first let us find. Okay, so this area bounded by, limits tell me, this is x is equal to 0, this one is x is equal to a. It is bounded by x equal to 9, x equal to a, and multiply by 4, we get the whole area. Take your small strips with respect of x axis, you can take with respect of y axis, whichever you want. This is small strip, that this is dx and this is y. If you take with respect of y axis, length here x and small width is dy, x dy. Okay? If it is 5dx, you express y in terms of x. So y square by b square, y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square. LCM a square minus x square. So y square equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. Correct? So y is equal to b by a root of a square minus x square. Okay? Now, area of ellipse. Area of ellipse. Now, OAB, this curve bounded by limits O to Q, O to Q. Now, area of enclosed by ellipse. Area of ellipse. Tell me, area of ellipse equal to 4 into area bounded by curve OAB. OAB. Okay. Now tell me 4 into what is the area? Length into breadth. Y dx. Area of small rectangle. Okay. Integration. It's bounded by 0 to e. This is their upper, above x axis, so positive. Okay, 0 dx. Understood? So 0 to a y dx, 4 into integration of 0 to a y is equal to b by a root of a square minus x square dx. Now 4b by a constant. Root of a square minus x square integration x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by e, limit 0 to e. 4b by a into apply upper limit a square minus a square 0. Here a square by 2 sine inverse of a by a is 1. This is the upper limit. Lower limit is 0 and sine inverse is 0. So 4b by a into a square by 2 sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Get cancelled. here pi AB. This is the area of ellipse. When A and B, length of major axis and minor axis equal, it became a circle. So when B is equal to A pi A square, it became a circle. So this is the length of, area of ellipse. What is the area of ellipse? Pi A, where A is semi-major axis of ellipse, B is semi-minor axis, length of semi-minor axis. If it is hyperbola, transfer axis and conjugate axis will be this. Okay, which is 5 marks. Most important. For this diagram, between diagram is 1 mark. The remaining part is 4 marks. The last 2-3 times this. This and the previous yesterday, how this is the part. Bounded by the area of region, bounded by curve and line. So far we have discussed only one curve, the area bounded by curve with both x and y axis. Now onwards we will discuss the area of the region bounded by curve and line. One curve they will give and line they will give. Okay. Example 3. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to x square and the line y equal to 4. See, they given here curve and line. So how they are finding is, first we should draw diagram. Curve. Tell me the curve is y equal to x square means x square equal to y. X square equal to y is parabola. You know, y square equal to 4ax. How is this? Parabola is like this. Y square equal to minus 4x. Open this side. X square equal to 4ay. Parabola which is open upward. If it is x square equal to minus 4ay, down. Here positive here, x square equal to 4a is 1 y. So how is this? What is the vertex of this parabola? Vertex is 0, 0. This parabola is open downwards. Sorry, upwards. XO, X dash. XO, X dash and YO, Y dash. Right? This is the curve. How I have drawn this? Because we know the parabola graph. No, if you don't know parabola graph, you take the points. How to draw this? If you know, you can draw easily. When you don't know, you should draw like this. Take the values. If you put x is equal to 0, whatever y is 0. X is equal to 1, y is 1. X equal to minus 1, y is 1. 0, 0 here, 1, 1 here, minus 1, 1. Then join this point. You can take 2 points also. 2 here. We get x is equal to y is 4. 2, 4. Minus 2, 4. Okay. So already you know, you need to take these values. Because already you have learned in first year, this is parabola. By seeing only we come to know that x square equal to y is parabola. It's open upward. Right? Next, y is equal to 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me y is equal to 4, which is parallel to x axis. This is the line y is equal to 4. This area we should find. Area between curve and line with this area. This area we should find. Okay. So left side area, right side area same or not? Same. Because it's symmetric form. If you take one, then left side is one. Same area. So no need to find left and right. What part you find? First I am going to find this part. This part I am going to find. This. To that I am taking first with y-axis, because x-axis we can't take it. Strips. Horizontal strips only we should take. What is this length here? X. This length is dy. What is the area of rectangle is x dy. Integration. This. Now I am going to find OAB, and 2 times of OAB will get the whole area. Whole area. Are you following? Area of OAB bounded by this part, bounded by 0 to 4. This is y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. So 0 to 4. When you multiply by 2, we get the whole area. Are you following? So this is x square equal to y. So what about x is root y. Understood? Now the line, given line y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Are you following? Now the line, what are the limits having? Limits. Limits means boundary values. Limits y is equal to 0 and y equal to 4. Therefore area, required area. Required area means area between curve and line is equal to 2 into area. Area. Tell me. Curve. Area curve OAB. OAB. This is. It's bounded by with y-axis, not x-axis. So we should take the x limits, y limits only. 2 into area bounded by what limit? 0 to 4. What is the small strip area of rectangle is x dy. So 2 into integration of 0 to 4 x. X is equal to root y into dy. So 2 into root y integration y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 means 2 by 2. Limits 0 to 4. These are y limits. Okay. 2 into apply by 4 here. 2 into 4 power 3 by 2 by 3 minus lower limit is 0. Here 2 square. 2 squares will cancel to give is 8. 8 into 16. So 2 into 16 by 3, which is equal to 32 by 3. Understood? .1. So, example 4, 5 we discuss later, because first we discuss the basic level question. This is level 2 question, we will discuss later after finishing this exercise. Exercise 8.1. First question is find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to x and the lines x equal to 1 and x equal to 4 and the x-axis in the first quadrant. First, the given curve, tell me, given curve is y square equal x. Y square equal x, which is parabola. Open right side towards positive x-axis. Finish. First, you draw the graph. XO, x dash, YO, y dash. This is y square equal to x. Right? Next, line x equal 1 and x equal 4. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is the 4. Tell me x equal 1 which is parallel to y axis. This is x equal to 1. Next, one more is x is equal to 4. X equal to 4. It intersects somewhere. Put x is equal to 4 here. What is the y value? Y value. X is equal to 4 here. Y value 2. This is 4 comma 2. This is 4 comma 9. Now what is the question? Area bounded by the region, curve y square equal to x, line x equal to 1 and x equal to 4 and x axis first quadrant, not this, this is only this point, not this. In first quadrant, okay. If not given first quadrant means this comes. First find this, multiply by 2, only this. So only first quadrant means it comes this quadrant, not this. Okay. So take the small steps here. What is the length of this is y. This is dx. Y dx. Okay. Limits. Tell me the limits. X is equal to 1 and x equal to 4. X equal to 1 and x equal to 4. The required area, shaded part. The required area which is represent shaded part, required area equal to, tell me, area of O, A, B, C. Give the names A, B, C, D. Area A, B, C, D. Tell me y dx is a small shape rectangle area. Integration. Tell me the boundaries. X equal to 1 to 4. Integration of 1 to 4 y dx. What is the y is equal to root x. So root x dx. Find integration. X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Limits 0 to 1 to 4. So 2 into 4 power 3 by 2 by 3 minus x is 1, 2 by 3. This is 2 square. Get cancelled. 2 cube is 8. 8 into 2, 16 by 3 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to 14 by 3. Very square. Is 14 by 3 square units. Find the area of the region. Find the area of the region bounded by y square equal to 9x and x is equal to 2, x equal to 4, and the x-axis in the first quadrant. So first we draw the diagram. Y square equal to 9x. The given curve y square equal to 9x, which is parabola. Open this side towards positive x-axis. The y square equal to 9x. Next, lines given here, x is equal to 2. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. This is x is equal to 2, which is parallel to y-axis, and x is equal to 4, right? And x-axis in first quadrant, so this one. See, just now you have done the y, this is dx, so this point here. Y is equal to 3 root x. Okay, tell me the limits. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. Therefore, the required area equals integration. This is A, B, C, D. Area A, B, C. Y dx. Integration limits. Tell me. 2 to 4. So integration 2 to 4 by y is equal to 3 root x dx. 3 into root x integration x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 by 3. Limits 2 to 4. Okay, this 3 get cancelled. Okay, let me write. Now put x is equal to here 4. 2 into 4 power 3 by 2 by 3 minus 2 into 2 power 3 by 2 by 3. 3 into LCM is 3. Okay, 2 squares get cancelled. 2 cube is 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 minus 2 power 1 here. 2 power 1. 1 plus 3 by 2. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 power 5 by 2. And 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. Correct? Now 16 minus 2 power 5 by 2 means 4 root 2. 4 root 2. 4 root 2. Understood? Correct? Find the area of region. Find the area of region bounded by x square equal to 4y and y is equal to 2, y equal to 4 and the y-axis in the first quadrant. The first quadrant. But curve, the given curve x square equal to 4y. Tell me x square equal to 4y, which is open, which is parabola, which is open. Okay. Right? Lines y is equal to here 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is equal to this is, and y is equal to 4 this one. Right? The area bounded by the curve and y equal to and y equal to 4 and the y-axis, not x-axis, y-axis, and first coordinate this area. This area comes. So draw the small strips here. This is x and this is d1. Okay. Tell the limits. Here x is equal to 2 root y. X is equal to 2 root y. Tell me the limits. Y is equal to and y is equal to 4. Therefore, the required area equals y dx integration y dx or x dy this area shaded part area x dy because this is x into dy. Limits dy means y limits 2 to 4. So 2 to 4 x is equal to 2 root y into dy. 2 into y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 2 by 3. Limits 2 to 4. 2 to 4. So 2 into 2 power 4 power 3 by 2 by 3 minus 2 into 2 power 3 by 2 by 3. 2 square here cancel here getting 16 by 3 into 16 by 3 minus 2 power is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 by 3. Take this. 2 into 16 by 3 minus 16 minus 4 root 2 by 3. Square brackets. Find the area of the region bounded by there is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. This is you have done, you have proved this 100 formula. What is the area bounded by the ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is pi ab. Pi ab. Pi, what is the a? 4. 4 square 4. B 3 square 3. So answer is 12. The shortcut you can use for competitive. But if you give 5 marks question, don't use this formula. You should do it. Okay? The way of proving is like the same thing. In place of a 64, in place of b 3. We have done starting the inert question. Tell me the ellipse here. Ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Right? What is the a? Here a square equal to 16, b square equal to 9, a is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. Tell me the vertices. Vertices are plus or minus 4 comma 0 and 0 comma plus or minus 3. Let's draw the diagram. XO x dash, YO y dash. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here on 1. This is this is O A B. So let's find first this area. So small strips we can find with respect of y-axis and x-axis. Both ways we can find. Okay. That problem we have done with respect of x-axis. Now I am going to with respect of y-axis. It's just practice purpose. You can find with respect of x-axis also. No, same answer. Let this is x and this is b. So first let's find this area. This area bounded by x is equal to 0 and this is, sorry, we are taking x now. We should take y limits. It's bounded by, this is y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. If you take with respect of x-axis, we should take x limits. X equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. Understood? Now, limits the area of ellipse equal to 4 into area of OAB, area of curve OAB. 4 into area. What is the area of small rectangle? X 0 to 3 x. We should write this in the form of x. How can write? Here I am going to find x square by 16 equal to 1 minus y square by 9. So which is equal to 9 minus y square by 9. Correct? Okay. X square equal to 16 by 9 into 9 minus y square. X is equal to 4 by 3 root of 9 minus y square. You write this one. So substitute here. X is equal to 4 by 3 root of 9 minus y square dx. 4 into 4, 16 by 3, integration of 0 to 3, root of 3 square minus y square dx, which is in the form of a square minus x square. Okay, 16 by 3, tell me x by 2 means y by 2, root of 9 minus y square plus a square 9 by 2, sine inverse of x by a means y by 3. Limits, y limits 0, y is equal to 0 to 3. 16 by 3, y, upper limit 3 square, y is 3, 3 square is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 by 2, sine inverse of 3 by 3 is 1. Lower limit is 0 and 0. So 16 by 3, the 9 by 2, sine inverse of 1 is 5 by 2. Get cancel 4. With ratio. 4 into 3, 12 5. This answer. Okay, the same thing you can try yourself. Homework is question number 5. Homework is question number 5.